in a patchwork trailer with creaky floors. Over a dozen souls are behind these doors. Paws tap like raindrops, soft and shy, each one a whisper, asking why. Out on the street where chaos dwells, 30 more noses, whiskers and tails. They duck and dart, they run and hide, never knowing peace like those inside. Over 40 furry faces, wait, don't pass them by. Even a dollar makes hope multiply. The smallest helping hand can shape the sky. For these 40 furry faces, don't let them cry. Jack limps, but he still loves. Clover is the king of the rooftop tubs. Fragile Mabel, she curls up small. Each has a story, and I know them all. I know them all. Each has a story, and I love them all. A dollar's not strong, it won't break glass, but to them it's a future. It's love that will last. More than 40 furry faces, wait, don't pass them by. Even a dollar makes hope multiply. The smallest helping hand can shake the sky. For these 40 furry faces, don't let them cry. One bag of food, one warm woolen bed, a life of cuddles, or just a day well fed.
The ripples from your gift will fill the sea
With their gratitude for eternity. These lovely little faces, wait,
don't pass them by.
even a dollar makes hope multiply.
The smallest helping hand can shake the sky.
For these precious hungry faces, don't let them cry. Over 40 furry faces,
In the forgotten lonely places,
with no more human graces.